Yeah. Okay. Please, can I share my screen? Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Hi, everyone. Once again, welcome to the community session on Microsoft 365 and Azure security. And appreciate you guys taking the time to join us on a weekend and taking the time to, get a new information or have a new knowledge. And today we have Zani, who is a Microsoft certified trainer, who will be, and also a Microsoft MVP, who will be joining us, who will be sharing more about the topic. And he will talk more about himself, and when he gives the time. And before I give him the mic, I wanted to give an introduction on our community. So we are conducting this kind of webinar, and apart from the webinar, there is certification training as well, where you can participate in it and prepare for your examination on Azure, and which is all going to be completely free. If you find the session or the training that we do, which is useful for you, valuable for you, you can join our community. The link to our community will be shared in the chat box. And two things about today's session: that the session is going to be recorded and will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, and you can watch it whenever if you miss it or you want to recall it again. Secondly, there is certificate of participation where you can fill out the form and get your certificate. I will share it at the end of session. You don't need to worry about it. Please do concentrate on session and getting your knowledge. And at the end of session, I will remind you about certificate and will be sharing the form to get certificate. Okay. Without any more delay, we can get started with session, and I'm moving the mic to Zani and get started with session.
Thank you, Suraj. First of all, as I want to introduce my slide and myself. This topic is M365 and Azure security. Can you see my screen, Suraj?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Uh, First of all, I want to say thank you so much, this organizer team and my friend Suraj. This is a very humble, and this organization is a very useful our human community. This is very important. This organizer and organization team is a very well our future life and our this young this next generation. This is a very important section, and I appreciate this organizer and organization team. And then I would like to thank you, attendees, all attendees. Each of the attendees is a very well person. Say I want to say that thank you so much, Mike session. This M365 and Azure security. I think this is the second time of my event. The first event is Azure AD is my first event, and this is the second event in 365 and security. And then this organization and certificate of the participation, very useful the future life career. This is a very important. I would like to introduce myself. I am from Myanmar. I'm in Myanmar now. This is a very difficult situation this in our country, and this my name is Zani Tin, and I'm MBB 2019 to now. It's a five time MBB my life career, and then also MCD is since 2014 is I think it's a 10 years my MCD life career. This By the way, is my this MBB and MCD is the my only this attribute. This is organization. Our organization in the Myanmar organization in MUCM, Microsoft User Community. This is Myanmar. This is our organization team. But this difficult situation, my country, as our team can't to develop our other session. By the way, we will try the next year and next time we will try and join to the my friend Suraj, and this is organizer team is the join to the Myanmar community. This is our team introduce and myself. Okay, this is my agenda. This is a very important agenda is an Azure Monitor and the log analysis Microsoft Defender for Cloud. This is a new product, Microsoft product, Microsoft Sentinel, and then this network watcher and trouble analysis, application insight, storage analyze, and then finally it's a demo. But I prepare my slide and mic session. This is a very easy and very useful slide and demo. Because it is a end of the section is a demo is a very delay, and then I will this is a this first demo and second demo and third demo. I prepare in there my session. Okay, and then this is my agenda, you know and this is a timeline of the computer history. Yeah, this is a timeline of computer history, and this you can see the Facebook is the 2004, and then you can see the Windows 7 is the 2009, and this is not the update. This is a timeline of the computer history. This is a computer history, and this is a very detailed, and you can see the generation of the computer. First computer 1940 is a computer studied, and in the USA, the vacant cube. This is a vacant cube, and 1940 to 1950 is the vacant cube age, and then 1950 to 1960 is the transistor age. This is a transistor, and this is a computer life, and the 1960 to 1970 is the IC, the integrated circuit. And then 1970 to up to date is a microprocessor. This is our 8, because this is a joint to the robot. 8 is the joint. This is the generation of the computer. First of all, I want to introduce the Microsoft. When Microsoft started the 1975, and Apple started the 1976. This is a record our computer history timeline, computer history record. The 1940 computer started because this is not born by the Microsoft CEO Bill Gates born 1952. This is a Bill Gates born, and then you can see the 1975 Microsoft start the window, and then this is a PC 8, and then you can see the only computer, a personal computer, and then you can see the Microsoft Windows DOS, and Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98. And this is only the used computer PC 8, and then you can see the we used this 1990 and 1995. You can use the Windows is a popular, and then you can see this is this our security point of view. In the we can turn on the firewall, and then we can turn the inbound outbound rules. This is a firewall is a very important, and this Microsoft PC 8. And then you can see 1970 now what start the 1970. Yeah, this is the 1970 now what start to the now what 8. And then you can see the computer is not only the PC and computer organization and the other business organization, governments to the connect to the multi node and internet node. It is a very important node 8. And then you can see the Microsoft start to the this server. Yeah, you can see the server. First Microsoft server is NOS. Yeah, and NOS, and the 2003 2008 server, and this is the server 8. Okay, and then you can see the server, and the next generation is this is a cloud technology, and this is I think this is a 1990 to this is a born as a internet. And then most of the people used to the 2010. This is the most paper. First of all, this is this timeline of the computer history, because this is a very important to prepare the security sector. Yeah, this is a security sector. Today's security sector is a cyber security. The cyber security bond 2010 is a cyber security bond. This is a 13 years. This is a very little period. And then you can see the cybersecurity popular is the 13 years old. This is a very young period. Okay, and this is this your this period is the we will prepare the cyber security. Today cyber security is very important, but this is a no longer there's a period. This is a computer timeline and computer history. Okay, first of all, you will learn the security sector, and you want to join the cyber security, just like a manager or just like the cyber security administrator. This is the point of view. The security point of view is the first of all is the firewall and the other machine. You use the
I'm
Cisco.
sorry to interrupt, Zani. Is the presentation that you have kept as right now? Because the topic that you were talking is doesn't match up with the presentation. Is it stuck or something?
Yeah, Suraj. Okay.
Is it at the right one?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
can see at the generations of computer.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
It's
yeah.
correct, right? Okay, okay.
Okay,
We
okay,
can go
okay,
ahead.
okay.
Go ahead. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Suraj. Okay. And then you can see this is today cybersecurity. Join is the cyber is a robot security, and the Microsoft change to the AI technology. Yeah. Okay. And then you can see this is what is the most valuable in the computer. I means computer is not only the your PC and desktop computer and laptop computer. I means the computer device. The computer device is the mobile, and there are other this is a VM and other computer device, all the computer device. What is the most valuable in the computer? This is the only one question is the data. Data is a very important. Yeah, this is not you can purchase your if you have you have some money and some device this your iPhone, or as this iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, and Windows 10, Windows 11. This is a most updated devices, but this is a very important is the data is the very important. Security point of view is the you most valuable is the data. Okay, and then Microsoft, how to prepare the Microsoft security. This is a very important Microsoft intelligent security graph. This is a 8.2 trillion. This is a very important amount. 8.2 trillion threat signal analyzed daily. This is a big amount. And then Microsoft, I think last 2 years, Microsoft 6.5 trillion. Today, Microsoft 8.2 trillion. This is the most valuable, and you can see the threat signal is very important. And then you can see 1 billion Microsoft user account. Today, Microsoft user account is at 1 billion account. This is a Microsoft API. You know that this is you check this is a very important cyber security and security point of view. Okay, and then you can see Microsoft invests big security solution. You can see the 1 billion a year, 1 year, and the 3,500 expert have a Microsoft security. Is Microsoft preparing this security sector. This is a very important. And then you can see if you as a student, if you have the preparing your cyber security and IT career, you can learn you must learn the your securities point of view and the other Microsoft and other security point of view. Okay, and then you can see what's your mind. What do you actually offer a best practice? This is a very important thinking. And then assume breach as a mindset. Yeah, human is the change is the every time, every solution and every connection. Yeah, this is if you the point of view the security sector, and if you the security person, you must this is a mindset, and then assume breach as a mindset. Yeah, a human is this good person, and in this year and the next time or next year or next month, this is a he can change his mindset. And then the bridge this is a vulnerable, and you can see the assume bridge is a mindset. This is a point of view as a security point of view. Okay, this topic is a very important. Microsoft 5 cloud security best practice. This is a Microsoft issue. Yeah, Microsoft and Microsoft deliver this point of view. First of all, the strength land across access control. It means this is this identity and access control. Yeah, strengthen is strengthen mean is the strong. Yeah, strong. You can strong your access control. You can organize. You have the organization, and you have the school account, and you as a government account. This is a very important. Second is the improve security posture. Posture mean is your behavior, and you seen the improve your security. First of all, this my agenda, and earlier you show this. I show my agenda, and then this is a cover. There's a 5 point. 5 o'clock security is a best practice. And third is the schedule and app and editor. This is a very important. And then you can see the apps. You can use the app and editor. And this is minimate. Migrate is a reduce. Yeah, migrate means a reduce threat protection. And final, I will share this my experience as a product the now what. This is a final topic. Okay, and then you can see identity. Identity, you can see the identity assume is a bridge, and you can see this is a very important, and Microsoft create a zero trust model. The next slide, I will show the detail what is the zero trust, and this is what is the important of the zero trust model. Okay, and then implement MFA. You know, the many people know the MFA is a very important. I think Microsoft announces there's next 6 years. Microsoft compromise this very big organization, and then it's discussed to the please we use the MFA. MFA is very important, and then many of the organization compromise to Microsoft. MFA they can use them. But Microsoft announced today, after 6 years, this is some of the organization can use the MFA. So this is a very important security sector. MFA is a very important. I will show you the next slide. Is what is MFA and how to use the MFA. And then this is assign the appropriate cross access control. And then you can see you must learn the Microsoft Azure Center is a built-in threat detection. I will show you the demo, and what is a very important, what is a very default. You can default on the this is identity. And then this is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft is a product is you know the Microsoft is a window product. Window is the two product. Is the desktop product and server product. You know the Microsoft server product is this is a added directory domain server. We will call the ADDS. Yeah, you know ADDS mean is the authentication method is the Kerberos and NDLM. And then you can we can call the this is forest and domain organization. You know the domain, and this is OU. We call the OU. This is the my traditional server traditional. Okay, and then we Microsoft change the clock sector. We can we call the Azure Edit Directory. AAD means this is chain and authentication. Authentication change the method is the SAM and the OpenID Connect. And then we can change the call as the not the forest, not the domain. This is called the DNAT. Yeah, this is structure. This is a name chaining. And then you can see the internet base of the you can sign in and log in your Facebook account, your Gmail account, your other organization account. We can sign in the Microsoft Azure Active Directory, but we can't sign in the ADDS mean is a server, and you can see this picture is a very clear, and the security point of view the chain. What is the chain? Is the authentication method is a chain. This is a very important. Okay, and then you can we can learn the Azure identity. This is a protection. This is a risk event. You can see this picture, and then you can I want to show you the highlight is this is this emphasize high risk and medium risk. Microsoft define the three type of the this high and medium and low risk. Yeah, you can see this is identity protection. I will show you the demo. Is a very detailed, and then you very interested this topic. And then we our security Microsoft Azure and Microsoft M365 use the PIM. PIM meaning privilege identity management. We can use the Microsoft Zero Track model. What is the Microsoft Zero model? And we can use the identity management evaluation and the PM feature scope and the Microsoft. Or this is ping onboarding. This is very important. And then you can see the what is the zero tracks. Zero tracks is mean is the this you can see the point of view. Please look at this picture, and then this the left hand side is the identity. Identity mean is the person. Yeah, the identity means the person, human person. And then you can see the device. Yeah, device is this is a many multiple device. We can use the this is a laptop, desktop, and mobile. You can see that these two method, and this is a person, this is a device. And again you can see the you can control your person account. You can use the multi-factor authentication. And then you can see device. We can control the risk. You can see the Microsoft Intune. Yeah, Microsoft Intune is change of the name of the endpoint manager. This is a Microsoft Intune. You can control this as a security point of view. And then you can see this is Microsoft access valuable control area, and then there's a data and the apps and infrastructure. This is a very important area, but we can't direct to the this is important area. We can implement the Microsoft security and policy and enforcement. This is Microsoft Zero Trust. Okay, what is a Zero Trust model? Zero Trust mean is a very easy. It means trust no one or anyone, anything. This is a very important. This is zero trust does mean you should turn off your firewall. Most of the people ask to Microsoft and other point of view. If you use the zero trust, we can turn off the our firewall. No, this is the wrong answer. This is a different way. Firewall, you must turn on the firewall, because firewall is the flag this security sector. And then you can see the zero track is as a Microsoft next generation model as a security model. Okay, and this is a point of security point of view. Sorry. And then you can this slide is the Microsoft MFA. MFA means this is a 3 point of view. I would like to share this highlight. You can see the known have are. Yeah, you can see you can use the MFA something you know use the password. And then you this is a social media, or you can use the some of your password, this is your friend name or your pet name. This is easy to know. The hacker is know the you can typically password. This is you know. And then you had mean is your phone as a double check. You can see MFA is the double check, two-step verification. This is a very important. And then sometimes something is a UR. You can use the biometric, either the fingerprint, either facial. This is a very easy, and the MFA is a very important. If you enter your organization, you must turn on the MFA. This is a very important, and Microsoft recommend. Okay, and today my Microsoft changed to the edit directory name. Edit directory name is I think as a very useful and a very popular name is a server. Okay, what is different of the other server and Microsoft server? I think as Microsoft server is the most this is use of the people. This is good for the this is my point of view. This is Active Directory is the most favorite. Yeah, Microsoft favorite. Okay, and then today Microsoft is changed to the Active Directory name. You can see the Microsoft Entra. Yeah, Microsoft Entra. This I want to show you the demo, and this is Azure 83 and the P1 and P2. You can see this topic is M365 and Azure security, and this is include the Microsoft Azure and M365 is combined security sector. You can see the M365 E3 line include the P1 and the M365 E5 line is the include of the this is a P2, and then you can see this is a chain of the Entra. Okay, and then if you want to say what is the Entra, I can search the English dictionary. Yes, it is not is English word. It is a French or Portugal word. Yeah, it is a, you know, the French dictionary or Portugal dictionary, and then you can see the entra. Entra means it's the to come in, to go in. This is a English word is the enter. Yeah, entra mean enter. This is a Microsoft change to the Edit Directory. This is a enter, and entra. Entra means it's a enter and to come in, to go in. Okay. Okay, I want to show you a demo. This is the first my time demo, and this is my Azure portal. First of all, this I want to share the five point of view of the demo. First of all, this I want to see first demo is if you use the M365 your account, and you must turn on your security, default security. This is my Azure portal, and then you can see Azure Edit Directory, and then you can click the this is a manage, and then you can scroll down scroll down, and then you can see this is a monitor, and then you can see the other section. And I want to show you the first demo is the manage. Yeah, manage tab, and then you can see that this is a property tab. Okay, property, and you can see this is a very important. First is as a manage security default, and you can see this is a Microsoft recommend. This is a enable. Some people and some organization is not used this security default. It means security is 99.9% of the account compromise. This is a very important. And then Microsoft security teams see a drop the 80%. This is a very important feature. Okay, and this is the first my demo. And then second, you can see this is very important, and this, you can click the overview tab, and then you can see this license is premium 2. Yeah, premium 2. This is a very important because you know the premium 1 or free, this is a premium 2 license. And then this is a M3 this is Azure user. And then I point of view the other side, I want to show you this is the M365 portal. Okay, and then you can click the admin. Microsoft changed the Microsoft Azure Edit Directory. You can see the identity. This is the now the Microsoft changed the Edit Directory. You can see the identity feature. This is a different of the Azure and M365. You can click the identity, and then this is the Entra Admin Center. You can see this name of the chain of the Entra Admin. Okay, and then you can see this is the same as a license. It's a premium 2 license, and then you can see this is a typically the chain of the feature. You can see this is a you can click the identity, and you can click the protection, you can click the identity governance, and this is a property. Yeah, property mean this is same of the Azure portal. And then you can scroll down this picture, and then you can see the manage security default, and then Microsoft recommended this enable. Okay, and this is the first my demo. Okay, and the second demo, the second demo, you if you want to see your account as security point of view, you can see this is you can see the user. Yeah, user, and then you can see the user, and this is my Azure portal user, and you can see this is a user type, and then you can click the new user. This is a 2 type user, and then this is Microsoft this Azure Edit Directory point of view. Okay, and this is a create user, and you can invite the other user, and then this is not this very easy and very this is a basic rule. And then I want to show you, I want to share the security point of view. You can click the sign in log. Okay, this is a very important our security point of view, and you can see which user log in your Azure portal, and then you can see the time, and then you can see the username, and you can see the IP address, and you can see the location. This is a security point of view, is very important. And then you can see this is a location. You can see the this is a Myanmar location, and then you can see the device information, which device your user is using. If you have this, you see the location, and you know that your organization user is all of the user member is Myanmar, because the location is the different location. Is a suspect account, is a vulnerable account, and this is a very easy and you useful the sign in log. No, yes, in like sign log. This is same of the, this is a Azure account, and this is a other M365 account is the same. And then you can use the, this is a security point of view. You can use the Microsoft Azure edit directory. Is very important. And then I want to show you the other side. This is a managed side. Is you can see the user group, external editor, and this is a very important. And then you can see click the device. Okay, and which device you are allowed to, you are denying your organization, you can manage this device, and then you can see the this is a device setting, and you can control your organization, in your organization, which device, and you can use the Windows device, you can do the Android device. This is very easy to manage. This is a point of view. Okay, and then I want to show you the other side, and you can see this is Microsoft recommend. This is a very important. You can just click the security clip. Yeah, and this is a very important. You search the manage tab and the identity secure screw. This is a very important. You can see, yeah, your which is identity, sorry, which school did your organization achieve the Microsoft is a 92.86%. This is a this point of view is a security point of view is very important. If you have the security administrator, or this is define the other security person, you must you must ask him or her, and which secure school our organization identity. And this is very important. If your organization school is not at 50 percentage, you must this is prepare, and you must need to change something of your organization. This is very important. And then final, I want to show you the, this is Microsoft Monitor. You can see Microsoft Monitor, and I want to show you what is a Microsoft Monitor. If you don't use this Microsoft Monitor, if you want to the detail, I want to, this is a very easy. You can click the tutorial, yeah, and then you can see that this is a Microsoft training and Microsoft very useful link. Yeah? This is a very easy to the Microsoft Monitor. And then you can see this is a metric. Yeah, I want to show you the point of the emphasize point is a metric. You can see metric. You can, if you want to use your secretion is many secretion. You have the many secretion. I have the two secretion. This is MSDN and Visual. And then you can see which this resources. You know the Azure is the resource set, and resources group is a very important. All of the resources in the one of the resource group. You know this is which resource set do you want to monitor, and which resources do you want to check there. This is a point of view. This is very important. This is a Microsoft Monitor, and then this is I want to first demo is the 5 things. First thing is the security on, and the second thing is sign in the log, and the third is the AD license, and fourth is the security school, and the fifth is the Microsoft Monitor. This is the first demo. Okay, I will back to the this. I'm back to the my point. Yeah, PowerPoint. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen? Hello, Suraj. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
we
Yeah.
can see it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Suraj. Okay. My next topic is improved security posture. This is a Microsoft point of view. 5 cloud security point of view. The second point of view is improve your the security posture. Okay, how to make improve your security posture, and which feature will you need, and which feature do you we prepare the our improve the security posture. Okay, this is answer is a very important. This is a very easy. It was hard to on the on-premise. First of all, I want this earlier time as I shared the screen. This is a timeline of the computer history. The first is a PC, and the different is the server. Server mean this is on-premise. Okay. Some of the people ask to the Zani, I want to my data is a very sensitive data, and your point of view is good for cloud or on-premise. This is depend on the customer point of view. Yeah, this is the some of the customer is the data is a very sensitive data. They don't migrate to the cloud, and this is not cloud is the not under control is the ownership. This is under control is the cloud provider. This point of view, and then on-premise is under control is the owner, because this is a AI. This is a artificial intelligence and other side of the chain of the many organization the chain to the cloud. Yeah, that this is something is the this is a better for the this is depend on the customer point of view. Okay, and then this is improve your this is a security posture is the difficult is the on-premise. This is very easy to the cloud environment is very easy, because this is a separate of the your security point of view. Okay, which feature do you want this need to the improve your security posture? This is a condition. Yeah, this is a very important condition access. Microsoft Azure condition access provide the improve your secure posture. Okay, and then this is I want to find of the use the these two things, and then condition when this happen. This is a very important. And then this is when this happen, and the second your next step is the access control, then do this. This is a very important conditional access. Yeah, and then you can see the some of the situation and some of the condition is the not same the yearly time. This is a next time, and the next year or next month is a change the conditional solution. Okay, and this is a condition, and I want to show this is a two things. I want to show the if and then. Yeah, if you have if you happen, and then you or what do you action the your condition. This is a conditional this point of view. Okay, first of all, I want to share the if you want to improve your secure the posture, you must use the conditional access. And then second is Microsoft Azure ABAC. Yeah, the ABAC. ABAC this means a role-based access control. This is a very important. I want to this is emphasize this period, and then you can see Microsoft Azure AD rule, and you can see Microsoft Azure ABAC rule. This is a different. No, this is not same. This is a different, because you see that this is a server point of view. You can see the Azure Active Directory. This is a server point of view. You can see the this is a global admin is the most powerful, and then you can see the application admin, application developer, billing admin. This is a server point of view. You can see the Microsoft point of view, the Azure Active Directory, and then this is a TNIC. It means the forest or domain sector. Okay, and this is a server point of view. And then if you use the Microsoft Azure, you must need to the known is the Microsoft ABAC. ABAC mean is this is a chain of the name. This is not a global admin. This is the most powerful. It's the owner, contributor, reader, and the user access admin. And you can see this is not a Microsoft TNAC. You can call this a root, yeah, root management, and then you can see the management group. It means this is a resource group. Is a resource group. You can see the ABAC is the secretion management point of view, and you can see the resource group, and then you can see that this is under control of the resources. Okay, this is Azure. This is account. Okay, I want to show you the demo, and next demo is the conditional access and ABAC. Okay. You can search conditional access, and this is a Microsoft Azure conditional access. And then next other way, you can see you can click the Azure edit directory, and you can scroll down the sorry. Sorry, security. You can scroll down the security setter, and then you can click the connection access. This is a two-way. Yeah, this is a not only the two-way. This is a many way of the you can click the security connection access. First of all, you must you use the connection access. You need to know as the two things. First thing is you can create your conditional policy. Condition mean is the policy. I want to show you the if and then. Okay, and you can see you can create the condition, create a new policy, and you must need your name and which user or which group and this policy you affecting, and then you can see the which user and which group, and then you can see the and target resource, which target resource, and you can see this is a target resource. Target resource mean is this is a app cloud or user action, or you can see your authentication contents. This is a conditional access, and then you can see target resource. Yeah, which target resource you want to use the conditional policy, and then you can see next step is the connection which connection, and then you can see the user rigs or user. You can see the sign. You can choose the sign reach, and then you can see the device platform. Which device platform will you use the Android or iOS or Windows, or this is a Mac OS. This is a connection, and then you can also the Linux OS or you need Linux platform. Okay, and then you can see if you have this solution or this connection, and then you can this is only the enable the report only, or you can see you can control your connection as the allow or deny or your block, or this is a very easy to you can manage this is a Microsoft conditional access. If you want to use if you want to improve your security sector, and you must you do the conditional access is very important. And then I want to show the second point of view is and then you can see you can scroll down there. This is a connection. You can see the naming location. It means is which country if you don't trust the point of view the other country, you can click the country location, and then you can manage the ID range location. If you want to this is a trust IP range, you can manage the IP this range, and then this is a very important. This is a point of view of the Microsoft improve the security Persia. And then if you want to learn and the more Microsoft training, you can click the tutorial, and then you can see what is your conditional access and require. This is a MFA. This is MFA require, and what is the conditional access and how can this define the location. What are control. This is a very useful. This is a very easy, and this is a video tutorial. Yeah, this is a very important. Second thing, okay, and second thing I want to show you the demo is the ABAC. Okay, first of all, you see this is my secretion is two secretion. First is MSDM and second is a visual, and I want to show you the ABAC. First, this is Microsoft Azure Active Directory. You can see this user is a Microsoft Azure Active Directory user. You know, Microsoft Active Directory user. Okay, this is a different of the ABAC. ABAC means this is a manage the secretion. Okay, this is my secretion is a two secretion. Okay, I want to share my secretion other person or other group, and I will this is a ABAC is a very important. Okay, and I want to share my secretion other person, and then click my secretion. You know, this is access control IAM, and then you can click the okay, and then you can see this is row back access and sorry row access assignment. You can see the row assignment, and this user is I will allow this user. This is my student, and this is this is sharing my secretion. Okay, and then I want to share the other person, and this is the add, and the add assignment assign row assignment. This is a two option. First is a job function row. This is a not important row, and this is important row is prevalence administrator row. You can see this is a owner, this is a contributor, and this is a administrator row. And this owner is all this is the same owner and contributor is a very same connection, but because it's not only not totally the same, because owner can change this is a permission, contributor not change the other permission. This you can see but does not allow you to assign other rule. Yeah, this is a different owner and contributor rule, and Microsoft recommended your most of the people the one organization per organization 5 or 6 people just the owner, not many just a person of the not the owner. This is a security point of this is very important. Yeah, and this is owner, and then if you want to share your secretion or this is your resources, and then you can choose the which row, and then if you want to allow the contributor row, and then you can click the contributor and next. You can see which user and which group. Yeah, select the user, and if you want to choose the user Momon or Lala or John or something other people person, you can select this user, and then you can see, and this is your group and user or group, and the user principal. This is a row is a contributor row. This is a ABAC. Okay, and this point of view is the Microsoft improve security posture. Okay, I want to back my slide. And this time is a secure app and data. This is a Microsoft Fight Cloud. This point of view is a third point of view, secure app and data. You know, this is a very important. First of all, you must to know if you want to use the cloud, you must to know this share responsibility model. This is a very important. You know, this is a very basic. And first, we are this timeline of the computer is only the on-prem. On-prem is totally this is a responsibility is the customer. Yeah, you know this is a customer. You know that this blue layer is the customer. So totally customer. This is a responsibility. Okay, and then you this is you want to change your organization or your group, and this is IAS. IAS means that this is a very easy, and the physical host and the physical network data center is the responsibility is the Microsoft or other cloud provider, and the upper layer is the responsibility is the customer. And then change the platform as a survey, and operation layer is the customer, Microsoft and other cloud provider is the responsibility, and the other layer is the customer, is the depend on the customer. And the final SAS, this is this application layer, and then application management layer, this is the customer, and the other layer, all layer is the responsibility of the on the Microsoft. This is very important. If you want to secure your app, which cloud service you are using, you must know the this point of view. And then you can see Microsoft is this two very popular product, M365 and Azure. M365, what is M365? M365 is a software as a service, okay? And then what is Azure? Azure is a infrastructure as a service and platform as a service combined. And this is a very clear Microsoft product, okay? And if you use the Microsoft 365, you know that this is a software as a service, and you can your team or your organization must define your manage this is a data management layer, okay? And this is a platform, this infrastructure as a platform, and this is all platform is this is Microsoft, depend on the Microsoft, okay? If you use the Azure, you can see that your VM or your VNet or your other side, yeah, this is the infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, okay? And this is a very important Microsoft recommending, and I want to show you a demo. You can see this is a Microsoft security deployment life cycle. The security is not only 1 day or 10 day or 1 month or 1 year. The security is this is a real life cycle. Yeah, you must learn the security is a life cycle, and this is a very important. And then you can see this is a Microsoft side. If you want to the security administrator, if you want to be an administrator, or if you want to be the Microsoft and other security, you can see this is a life cycle, okay? And then you can see Microsoft is this is a question answer, and this site is a very important, and this site is a very active, yeah, this side, okay? After this section, this is Suraj prepared my slide, and you can download my slide, okay? And then this is the fourth my point of view, and mitigate threat. Mitigate means is a reduce, yeah, reduce your threat protection. Microsoft is a very important. This is a new product. Hey, you mean that this is a Microsoft Sentinel. Sentinel me is the record. Yes, it's a this is this security recorder. Yeah, this is a Sentinel, and I want to show you a demo the next slide. And then this is a fourth Microsoft mitigate the threat. Final Microsoft, this is a product network. Yeah, this is a very important product network, and if you want to protect your network, and then you can see the Microsoft is the 3 rule. Yeah. First of all, you want to know that this is a Microsoft security posture. First is the protect. Yeah, protect means as across endpoint. Endpoint means your person or your device or your platform. This is all sector. This is a product, and then you from the sensor or to the data center. This is a product. If this the product means this is the first things. This is first of all we must do the product, and then if you broke and this a break the product area, and then you can see the detect. Detect means is using target signal. You can see the behavior monitor and machine learning. It means Microsoft. And if you want to be the developer, is you must learn the Microsoft AI. You can see the sector. This I think as this final build Microsoft developer. This is a Microsoft many using the AI technology. Okay, and second is the detect. Okay, and final is if you break the detect, and then you can see that the response. This is the three main things: protect, detect, and respond. Okay, this is a Microsoft version, and this is a Microsoft this is a network security group. NSG is a very important of the your this network the secure. If you want to the secure network, you must need to the network security group. Network security is the not only the part of the way, because it's under control of the MFA, and this is a security center is the this part of the security center. Okay, I want to show you a final demo. Okay, sorry. This is a Microsoft Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel is a non applied to the Microsoft portal. Okay, if you want to use Microsoft Sentinel, you must have the your license. It's a very important. You can see this is a Microsoft Sentinel, and then you can search overview point of view, and you can see the automation data content connector. This is a very important connector, and then you can see this is the analysis. Okay, I want to show main thing is the you can see data connector. You can see data connector is a you can click the data connector. If you want to use this item data connector, first of all you must need to the connect hub. Connect hub is this connect hub. You can see Microsoft, not only Microsoft product, you can see the Amazon, and then you can see this is the other product, Cisco, and you can see the Microsoft threat protection, and then now this is a final product is the checkpoint. Yeah, you can see the checkpoint. You can see the checkpoint, and this is a many product you can use the connect hub. Okay, first of all, if you want to use your data connector, first you must need to implement your connect hub. Okay, this is a Microsoft Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel is the latest Microsoft security point of view, and if you want to learn Microsoft Sentinel, you must need to the news and guide. And then you can see this is a Microsoft you can see the free trial, and I'm using the free trial. This is a free trial 30-day remaining. Okay, and this is a get start, and then you can see you can click this tutorial and other training. Yeah, and this is a Microsoft Sentinel, and Microsoft Sentinel is the latest Microsoft security point of view. Okay, if you want to use your security, this this is a very important. And then final my demo is a network Azure and network security group. This network Azure, you can see the IP flow. You can see network Azure is the monitoring your network, and you can click you can control your IP flow, and then you can hook. This is you know the topology, and this is other Microsoft security point of view. This is a very important Microsoft Azure. And then final, you can see the network security group, and then you can create the network security group. And this is similarly, this is a firewall. You can see the inbound security group and outbound security group. And this is very important. If you use the network security group, you can see that this is rules, and then you can see this is a parameter, this is a priority number, this is a priority number. You must know this low priority number is the most powerful, and then this is a higher priority number. Okay, and this number is this is a low number of the priority, and this is a high number of the priority. This is the opposite of the priority number. Okay, and then as a final, you must know that this is a default rule. You can't delete the default rule, because you can overlock overhub. This is your priority number. This is NSE rules. Okay, and then this I want to show you the last demo is the Microsoft Defender, Cloud Defender for Microsoft Defender for Cloud. This is a last demo, and you can see this. If you want to use this Microsoft Defender, you must have the hybrid this feature. Yeah, this Microsoft Defender for Cloud is this focus is the hybrid network. Yeah, and you can see, and then I want to show you that this create stuff, and then you can see get start. This is define the hybrid cloud or workload. Yeah, this is a Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Yeah, and this is my last demo. Okay, and close my. I want to back my final PowerPoint. Okay, I think is valuable for your life career and life your next learning point of view. And then I want to show the last point. This is the learning part. Okay, if you want to the Microsoft Azure technology learning, this you must need the Azure 900 is physical. This is all part of the Microsoft Azure phenomenal. And then you can see this is a focus of the AZ 104 is the next step. And then if you want to learn the Microsoft security, you must need to the Azure 500. This is the Azure point of view. Second is the Microsoft 365. If you want to do the Microsoft 365 using, this is a fundamental as MS 900. This is the next step is the MS 102. After this event, this Suraj and I will discuss our next effort section is the training session. I want to this is the MS 102. I will try my best. I try my best this event. It's training MS 102. I hope yes. Okay, and then this is a final. This most of the people known as the Bill Gates and your great friend. This is a one word answer. This is a very useful, and so if you want to the successful person, this is main thing is a focus. Yeah, a focus. Security is many sector and many learning point, because if you want to the security center, you must need to the focus. Which focus do you need your career and life career? This is a very important. And then final, I recommend if you have if you like or if you love or reading, you must need you learn the HIP. This is a refresh sector book. Yeah, this is a very useful book. And then I think chapter chapter 7, and it's the point of view as a cyber security point of view. This is a very security point of view is that you must, I recommend this book is a very useful, and then you must need to read, and this is to learn your life career. And then if you want to contact to me, my Facebook account, my LinkedIn account, and my YouTube channel, and then if you send the email, if you can use my email account. Finally, I want to say thank you so much, and Suraj and this attending person. Thank you so much, and I will check. Thank you so much, Suraj. Okay.
Thank you for the session. And it was a great session. I think we went through a lot of things, and I have shared, and thank you all for joining. And I have shared the link to the certificate of participation, and the session will be uploaded shortly in the community, and the YouTube channel will be updated on our community as well. Um, and I'll be also sharing uh, the presentation that Zani was using. After Zani shares with me, we will share it with you through the email. Okay.
I
Is
think
there any question?
Suraj, I
Uh,
think I haven't found this question is not yet. Yeah. Yes, thank you
uh-huh.
so much to our attendees. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you,
Okay, I see no
Kotilin.
more
So my friend.
question.
Yeah.
And thank you, Zani, again for session, and looking forward to next one as well. And appreciate all of you guys joining on a weekend and taking the time to join, learn something new. And I hope it was a useful time of your 1 hour. And hope to see you in the upcoming sessions as well. So please to join the community so that you will get updated. I have shared the link to a community in the chat box. Okay. And thank you again. And with that, I'm ending the recording. Okay. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.